Hi guys, today we're going to be learning how to make whitening trays. Before I even start, let me just say a very big thank you to Opalisons for this free whitening kit that we were given at the London School of Dentistry. Oh my god, when I found out that we get to keep this, I was so happy. I woofed the wrong belly. In my culture, that means who doesn't like free stuff? I do, I'm sure you do. So let's get started. So like I said, today we're going to be learning how to make whitening trays. You have to make sure that you have your whitening kit. Prior to today's project, we had all taken impressions of our mouth to use for today, but I opted to use an old patient's cast because I was being too lazy. Here I'm filling up undercuts with flowable composite to get everything ready. Place our whitening tray materials in the machine, make sure it's centered. Next, you place your cast, make sure it's centered as well, and then we turn on the heat from the machine and just wait for the whitening tray material to drop. How do we know that it's ready? We're just going to wait for it to drop and form like a dome shape. We're going to see that happen now. So wait for it. Ta-da! And then we push down the machine, turn on the vacuum immediately to suck out all the air. And boom, we have our bad boys here looking pretty. So next thing, we just have to wait for it to cool down. And the next thing will just be to cut the whitening tray material, which is the best part for me anyways. Next, you want to take the whitening tray material off the cast, and then you want to begin your cutting. You want to make sure that you use a pair of scissors that have a curved tip and are sharp, because we want to make sure that the outline of the tray is smooth and it has a scalloped margin on the facial and it's straight on the lingual. This took like less than a minute. Like I said, once you have your sharp scissors, you should be good with the cutting process. Some people prefer to pre-soak the cast in soapy water for 5 minutes and then dry for 5 to 10 minutes just to make it easier to separate the whitening tray material from the cast. I actually did that. I'm sorry, my bad. I should have said that from the beginning. But anyways, this is me cutting my whitening tray. You also want to be careful while cutting because you don't want to cut it too close to the gingival margin. Ta-da! Here are my beautiful bad boy.